We have downloaded a driver for Firefox, like same like that we need to download a driver for Chrome also. Okay, so earlier we used to download for Chrome. For the Firefox it was default, but as if now from the 3.0 even the Gecko driver we are downloading it. Okay, so in the new package let me take Chrome invoke, Chrome and IE invoke, new class, start with uppercase, Chrome IE, Chrome and IE. I'm going to show both here. Invoke. So first let's talk about the Chrome. Chrome. So if you want to work with the Chrome, you need to download Chrome driver. So let's move on to the Selenium official website once again. Here we go. And here we can see in the downloads Chrome driver. It's 2.2.7 as if now. Just click on it. And it is given up the list here. If you are going to work on Mac, you need to take Mac 64. If you are Windows, you need to take this Windows 32.zip. And just click on download. It will be downloaded into your machine. Once after downloading it, you need to unzip that, or you need to extract it. After extracting it, you'll get this Chrome driver here. It's also the exe, right? Yes, the same thing we'll be doing now with the Chrome, working with Chrome. Same syntax, system dot set property, and what is the key? Just remember this, webdriver dot Chrome dot driver, and this should be the path. Chrome driver dot exe, and just end the statement by semicolon, and along with that just give the double slashes. Right, the very next activity is that WebDriver, the same activity, WebDriver driver. See, a driver is an object, even if it is the Firefox or even if it is for the Chrome. So whatever it may be, in place of driver, whatever you want you can take it. It's not mandatory to take a driver, but it's a general practice that in the organizations will be taking the driver. Okay, you can take anything, it will work. If I write d1, chalo, d1 dot, you will get the things, right? Yep. So what driver is the general practice what we use. So webdriver driver is equal to new, a space allocator, new Chrome driver. So we have the classes. Don't get confused. I will give you the list. If you are working on a Chrome, we need to write webdriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Just check it. Change to Chrome driver. C is uppercase and D is uppercase. I've given you the list, so you can get all these things what I have given as a documentation in the Selenium website too. Here, all known implementation classes. If you are working with the Chrome driver, we need to use Chrome driver class. If you are working on a Firefox, you need to use Firefox driver class like this. If you are using on a Safari, you need to use Safari driver. If you are Internet Explorer, it should be Internet Explorer driver. You can see that on the screen. right? All this. I will send you this documentation. I will give it as an attachment. You can just download it and work on a different browsers. If it is a Edge driver, you can use Edge driver. Okay. Now what I need to do, I need to write driver dot. Okay, so let me write my agenda here before going up with this. My agenda is what's to guys. Let's open a Chrome with website called www.testingtoolsonline.in. This is my official website, and get the title of the page. Get title of page. This is what my activities. So you know that web driver is equal to new Chrome driver will invoke the Chrome. So after invoking the Chrome, I need to open the website. For that, I need to use get driver.get, and what we need to get. So that you need to simply write it here. It should be testing tools online.in. So this line will invoke testing tools online.in. After invoking it, let us get the title of it. Driver.get title. So title, what we get should be stored in a string type. So take a variable called anything, you can take it, as I said earlier, just t1 I have taken, and that is string. And in the next line, I can simply print it out. System.out.println of t1, as simple as that. Once I run the test, it will invoke, or it will work with the Chrome. After invoking the Chrome, it will write testingtools.in in the Chrome, and it will capture the title and it will print it. Okay, so let me run it. Before that, let me save the test and run it. Local connections are allowed. You can see that on the screen. It's giving out some information there, and the Chrome on the screen. You can see that testingtoolsonline.in on the screen, right? And it has printed the title in the console: testing tools online training, Selenium online training, QA training from India, right? Yes, this is how we work with the Chrome. So let's see the same activity in Internet Explorer. So let me comment these two lines here, and let me work with the IE. So this is for the IE.